Money idioms. Rolling in it. To be very rich. His new business has done very well. Now he's rolling in it. To throw money down the drain is to waste money, spend it carelessly or foolishly. She thinks his investments have thrown money down the drain. Going for a song. Very cheap, a bargain. The shop's having a clearance sale before it closes. Everything's going for a song. Laughing all the way to the bank. To earn or gain a lot of money easily or unexpectedly. His uncle left him a fortune in his will. Now he's laughing all the way to the bank. Strapped for cash. To be short of money. He thought he had more money in his account. Now he's strapped for cash. Money to burn. To have more money than you need and to spend it on unnecessary things. He keeps buying new ties, but he has more than enough. He has money to burn. No expense spared. A lot of money is spent on something good. There's no expense spared when she travels on business. She always flies first class. Living on a shoestring, surviving on very little money. He's out of work and living on a shoestring. Breadwinner. The person in the family who earns the money. Her partner lost his job, so now he's at home looking after the kids and she's the breadwinner.